Hey y'all, what is up? It's now Newbie back again with the sequel to the whole "Your package has been delivered to a safe place. Your package has been left at a safe place" saga. I decided to go ahead and try and get that refund because the package still has not arrived, and it's about 48 hours. And on the website it says that you can try and get a refund or replacement after 48 hours of having not received your package. So I went and messaged them, and it says, "Hi, it's Amazon messaging again." This whole thing is automated, by the way. Basically, it's not a real human on the other end, which is fine. It says, "Is this what you need help with?" Yes, that's it. This here looks like this item was delivered on Friday, July 12th, even though it wasn't. You confirm what went wrong so I can help. I said item/part missing. And so their end, it says, "Sorry to hear that. Tell me a little more about what happened." I said, "Package never arrived." Because, well, it did not. So they said, "Okay, did you check around your area with your household members in case someone received it before you?" I said, "Yes, it's not there. And additionally, I checked with neighbors too." It says here, "Okay, looks like the delivery status may have been updated too soon." Maybe. The good news is it should arrive soon. Give us until the end of Monday, July 25th. Now, what this tells me is that the 48 hours does not mean all 48 hours. This means 48 business hours. I only gave it 24 business hours because it was supposed to arrive on Friday. So this means 48 business hours, not 48 hours overall. Now it says here, "Really appreciate your patience with this. Is there anything else I can help with?" I said, "Hey, what if I don't get it?" Well, it says here, again, it should arrive by Monday, July 25th. If for some reason it doesn't, please come back here for help. We aren't able to do anything else until after then. At that point, I'd be happy to see what options are available to you. We aren't able to do anything else until after Monday, July 25th. And I responded with, "Okay, will do." And they said, "Is there anything else I can help you with?" I said, "No, that's all." And he got me a thing that says, "Okay, we'll post any updates and next steps in your next orders page. Before I go, I'd like to ask, did I solve your problem?" And I said, "No." They said, "Thanks for sharing. You can also leave a comment about how your experience went. That helps me improve." And honestly, I'd prefer not to leave a comment. So that's what I'll be doing. There's no problem. Sorry I wasn't able to answer your question today. Our associates are always available to help if I can't get the right answer. Well, I think that's pretty much all that I can do right now. This is my next step in this entire saga, and I will be posting more updates as I get them. So I guess the big takeaway from this is it says you need to wait for 48 hours to get that refund/return. They mean 48 business hours. So the hours on the weekend do not count. I mean, that's all I have. So, anyways, stay tuned.